In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox memory dump error in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your desktop, click on search and type settings. Click on open. In settings from the left side, click on privacy and security. In privacy and security section, click on Windows security. Here click on device security. After this, in core isolation section, click on core isolation details. Here you have to toggle off memory integrity. After this, check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then move to the next method. For this purpose, press Windows plus R key from your keyboard and type %localappdata% and then click OK. Now here you have to find Roblox folder. So just scroll down until you find Roblox folder and right click on it. Then click on trash icon to delete all the local files of Roblox. Check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then move to the last method. From desktop, click on search and type installed apps. Click on open. Here click on search apps and type Roblox. Then click on 3 horizontal dots of Roblox and then click on uninstall game. Click on uninstall and close it. Now you have to reinstall Roblox. From desktop, open any of the browser and go to Roblox website and download it from here. So that's how you can fix Roblox memory dump error in just few easy steps.